Hello guys, good day, hope you are doing fine. I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe. Press on that subscribe button in front of you there, the one you are seeing in red. Press on it and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first person to receive a notification from YouTube. And once again, please make sure you share my video on your WhatsApp groups, your Instagram, your Facebook, and all the rest, so that all your friends and your siblings may also benefit from all the video and investment opportunity that we are sending on this platform. Okay, once again I'll be showing you this time how to sell your assets on p2p, binance p2p, and receive money in your local currency, and also how to move your fund from funding, from spot wallet to funding. And one thing I will let you to know here is that you cannot sell your, if your crypto is in a spot wallet, you cannot sell it from your spot wallet direct to the merchant. You need to move it first from spot wallet to funding before you can execute p2p trading. The first thing we need to do right now is to go to our wallet, spot wallet, and move our fund that we are having to sell from spot wallet to funding wallet. So let's go. The first thing to do here is to click on spot here, below here, sorry. This is, I'm coming, I just want you to see it very clearly. So this is spot here. I want to take this class as I'm teaching. I want to teach you. I'm not just giving a kind of tutorial. I want to teach you I want to make it very comprehensive. When you click on wallet here, the next thing you do here is to go to transfer. So but before you go to transfer, you have to know the assets you are going to move from this wallet to funding. Look at the top here. We are having spot here, and we're having funding here. So you need to know where you're having money. Now, like me now, I'm having small money here in BNB wallet. So now I'm going to move this asset, which is a $16.70. I'm going to move it to funding. The next thing I'm going to do here right now is to click on transfer, which is this. I click on transfer. When I click on transfer, now I'm moving from spot to funding. Can you see it? You can move from funding to wallet. I have done that before in my previous video, so I'm teaching here right now how to move from spot to funding to perform a p2p transaction. So now that we are moving from spot to funding now if you're moving from spot to funding, the spot will be at the top here. Can you see it? From spot to funding. Can you see that? Okay, so I now search on you click on this arrow here. Sorry, let me do it step by step for you. You now click on this arrow here to change. Here you are saying BTC. We are not transferring BTC from spot wallet to funding. We are transferring BNB. So therefore you will click on that small arrow here in front of that BTC. Click on this small arrow, and here you type BNB. It will pop up. Can you see it now? I'm having $16.70 in it. So I click on it. When I click on it, I will click on mass. Mass means maximum, everything. I want to move everything. So I will click on max. Everything will appear here. Everything I'm having here, they will all appear. So I will now click on confirm transfer. So I click on confirm transfer. It will be transferred automatically. Right now, you can see that there's no any BNB in my spot wallet again. As for me, you can confirm here. This is the spot wallet that we are in. Look at it here. We are in spot. Nothing is in spot again. Nothing is in my BNB spot again, because anything you are having in your BNB, any account that you are, any wallet you are having asset in it, they will always pop up. They will always be at the top of your wallet, of every wallet here. So here right now, let's move to funding, which is at the top here, and see that $16.70 in it. Let's click on it. Hope you can see it now. $16.70. The remaining 3 cents behind it here, is the fluctuation of the cryptocurrency that have just go up now. That's what has make it to increase by 3 cents. Okay, now that we have done this, the next thing we are going to do here, we want to sell our assets on P2P. Then the next thing here is to click on this P2P here. If you don't want to click, you can click on P2P here, and at the same time you can come back to home, which is here. You can come back to home, which is here. Can you see it? This is it here. Sorry, I want you to see it very clear. Can you see home? That is what I'm clicking on here. The one I cycled here, that is home. You click on home. So you now come to the interface of the Binance here. You click on P2P trading. When you click on P2P trading, it will take you direct. So we are selling here right now. We are selling, we are not buying. So therefore, we have to click on selling here. And you have to make sure that you click on selling. You have to make sure that your local currency is correct. Here I'm using NGN. So if you are in another country and you are not using NGN, the next thing to do is to click on this small arrow here, and here you can change your currency here. You can input your own currency here. Because I'm using NGN, I will type NGN here. NGN, it will pop up. Can you see it? It has popped up. So I will click on it here. So I'll click on NGN. If I've clicked on NGN, the next thing, purchase. The next thing for me here is to click on max, because I want to sell everything. Sorry, I've made, okay, it has to be on, okay, let me do the correction here. P2P, click on, I want to sell BNB, I click on BNB, okay, and at the same time I click on sell first. Okay, I'm coming. Click on BNB, then I click on sell. When I click on sell here, let me see what is going on here. Okay, it seems I'm not allowed to sell BNB direct here. So the next thing I need to do here right now is to go back here and move my fund back again to let me do that. I will get back to you. I'm coming soon. Okay, since I'm not allowed to sell my BNB direct on Binance here, the next thing for me here, because I have moved it to funding before, I have to move it back to wallet and convert it to USDT. So let me take the step. The next thing here is to click on transfer. Click on transfer. I'll move from funding to sports. So now we check. I'm moving BNB. Now that I'm moving BNB, I have to click on mass and click on confirm transfer. Now I'll click on confirm transfer. I go back to my sports. So everything is now back here in my sports. So the next thing here is to come back to trade, because I want to convert my BNB to USDT before I will be able to sell on the P2P. So I click on this trade here. If I click on trade, the next thing here is to search for BNB. Okay, I'm having BNB, but if this is what you search for BNB, you type it here, BNB USDT. It will pop up by itself. Then you click on, I'm converting from BNB to USDT. I will click on it here. That is it at the top. So BNB USDT. Then I will now click on 100%. I want to convert everything. Click on 100% here. So now I will click on I will click on sell because I want to convert my BNB to USDT. I have to click on sell first. When I click on sell, the next thing is to click on this 100%. I'm selling my BNB for USDT. So I click on 100%. If I click on 100%, then I will change this limit that you are seeing here. I have to change it to market execution because if I leave it at this limit, the execution will not take place immediately. But if I change it to market, see this is the market here. So I click that market. Then because that market will just do the execution immediately. So after I have done everything here, so I click on represent. Then I will now click on sell BNB, which is here. Click on sell BNB. Let's see that. So success. Can you see it? Which means I have converted my BNB to USDT. Let's go and see. Let's go to wallet right now and see if truly it has been converted. So here, come back again to sports. Can you see it? Click on sports and let's see. Can you see now? It has been converted. I have converted my BNB right now to USDT. I hope you can see it yourself. So the next thing right now is to move our BNB, our USDT from the spot wallet to funding. So the next thing is to click on transfer. Click on transfer here. We are moving from spot to funding. Then we click on this BTC, where this BTC is here. Can you see it here? This place. We click on that small arrow and we type USDT to pop up. See our balance is showing here at the top. I hope you can see it. This is it here at the top here. So we click on it and we click on mass because we are moving everything, we are selling everything. So we move it to, and then you now click on confirm. We now click on confirm transfer. So we click on confirm transfer. Now this money has been moved from spot wallet to funding. Let's now click on funding to see if truly our fund has been moved. Our USD have been moved from spot to funding to perform a p2p transaction. Can you see it has been moved? Look at the value here. I'm having $16.50 here. So the next thing here is to click on p2p. We are going to sell it directly here right now. Click on p2p here. Can you see it? When you click on p2p, we are selling. So we click, now you click on the next thing is to click on sell. Because you are selling, you have to click on sell. And if your currency, you have to make sure that your currency here is tally with your local currency. Here I'm using NGN, so I have to type NGN. Let me go back and show you correctly. So if you want to change your local currency, I've showed you before, this is where you change it here at the top here. So you click on that very place. I'm using NGN, I'm in Nigeria. So you click, you type your local currency symbol here at the top. At that very place I cycle, that is, I am using NGN, I type NGN. So it has pop up. Hope you can see it yourself. So the next thing for me there is to click on that NGN, and now I'm selling this. I'm selling $50. Then I will now click on, I'm selling $16, 50 cents worth of USDT. So then I'll click on sell here, maximum selling quantity. I can't still sell here. All right, hope you can see what is going on here right now. This is the maximum quantity here to sell is 20 USDT. So sorry, is it the minimum or what? Let me see. So okay, the minimum to sell is 20 USDT. Okay, let me still look for another way to sell here. Let me go back and convert to BTC. The same way I convert before is the same way you convert to BTC. There's no any different here. Okay. So I'm sorry for the delay which I have caused before. So there was something that was going on before, that's why I have to pause the video and search for the right thing to do. Now I have done the right thing here, and I want to sell my USDT right now. I'm going to sell my USDT here. So, and for your information, the minimum you can buy on USDT on Binance right now, it should be anything from $2 USDT, and the minimum you can buy USDT, and there's a minimum you can sell is 20 USDT. That is what happened here, which I don't know before, and I have to go and quickly check it, and I come back. Before I come back, that is the latest information for you in addition. So here I want to click on sell. I click on sell here right now. I click on mass. I have everything here. I want to say $24.63. So I will click on sell. I'll click on sell here. Can you see this in red? Click on it. Then okay, the account I'm receiving to here is let me see the one I will receive to. Let me receive to okay, I think my p2p here or what. Let me see. Confirm sale. Let me confirm the sales. I confirm the sales. Okay, I'm receiving, so I'm waiting for the buyer to send my money to my wallet. And before we go, let me quickly go and show you the balance of my p2p. You can see the balance of my p2p right now. The balance is 769 naira 95 kobo. So you will see that this is where the money is coming to. So let's wait and see that. Let me go back to my Binance and see how the buyer is going to send the money to my p2p account. And as we are waiting for this buyer to send the funds to our account. So if the buyer is not quickly paying the money, we can shut him up. We click on shut here. Look at this place. We shut him up. So you can see I have shut him. So he says something. He said pay the exact amount of that. He don't pay kobo, something like that. That one is a story. So what we need is our money. So you can shut him up here. You see I have shut him up here. I said hello, I have just placed a trade here for you. So, and if he didn't respond, you can still come here at the top corner of your phone here, at the top corner on the right hand here. You will see a symbol here that is of a phone call. You can see look at here. Can you see it? You can click on that symbol to call the buyer, so that you can quickly notify him for him to pay the money. So the total of money I'll be receiving right now will be, is it 14,839 naira, because he said he didn't pay kobo. That 82 kobo will not be paid. Okay, that is fine. So, and don't forget, I am selling $24.63, and I will be receiving 14,839 naira. So that is what it was. So as we are waiting for the buyer to send our payments, let's patiently wait and see how he's going to send our money to our accounts. So this buyer still have about 37 minutes. Look at it here. 37 minutes and 30 seconds to pay. So because of that reason, I will have to pause this video to wait until he pays before I continue the video. Alright, now that the buyer has marked the trade paid, so let's go see. You can see this statement here coming. Look at this statement here. So it means that he has paid, but I will not release the coin yet. Let me go and check before I release the coin. So I have to go back here. Sorry for that pop-up. So this is where to confirm the payment if truly he has paid. So I will have to confirm. I will have to click on this payment receive. Hope you can see it here. I will click on payment receive here. So but before I click on that, let me go and confirm my payment if truly my money has been sent to me. Okay, he said he will be sending this amount. This is the amount that he will be sending. Oh, sorry for that. Let me click on this. This is the payment. Okay, this is the amount that he'll be sending to me. 14,839 naira. Okay, let me go to my PalmPay and check if he has truly sent the money. Okay, he has sent the money. Can you see it? So this merchant has really paid me. Look at this here. He has paid me. This is the payment history, and I'm going to click on that right now for you to see the payment history. Okay, you can see this is his name, Babatunde. Look at the name at the top there. Babatunde is the name from Babatunde. Hope you can see it. So let's go and check Binance whether it's from Babatunde really. So let's check from Binance. You can see. Okay, can you see? His name is Babatunde Dauda Fatai. So which means he has sent the money to me. And because I have received the money right now, let me go and check once again to confirm very well. I am supposed to receive 14,000. Look at it. I have told you 14,839 naira, but he sent to me 14,840 naira. Though he has done well, that is a very good one. So the next thing here right now is to confirm payment. I'll click on this place. I'll click on this. So I receive payment received. So after that, if I click on that, the next thing I need to check some box here. You say receive the payment in your account. That is the question. I say I have not. The first one say I have not received payment from the buyer. The second one say I have received the payment amount. Payment sender match the buyer's verified name and Binance, and I agree to release my crypto to the buyer. And that is what you click on because he has sent the money. You're going to check on this box. You check. Can you see that I have checked that box? And you click on confirm below here. Can you see confirm here? Click on this confirm. So when you click on confirm, then I used to use a Google Authenticator for my own, I can use Google Authenticator, which is this one, and I can also use a SMS Authenticator, but I want to use Google Authenticator. So I go to my Google Authenticator here. Let me check it out here. This is it. I click on it, then I will copy the link there. Where is the Binance? Okay, let me click this, and I come back to this place and do paste. I copy and paste and click on submit. So when I click on submit, then I have done that is the end of the transaction. So that is how we do it, guys, on Binance here. Then I click on done. I can give the person a kind of a what is it called, a kind of a positive or something, which is this positive. So and I click on that positive, and I click on done. So that is the end of our transaction. We are done with that transaction. See, can you see here? Transaction has been completed. Order completed. So that is how we do it, guys. And once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel so that any information I drop, any latest information I drop, or any teaching on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency, you will be the first person to receive a notification from YouTube. Please press on that subscribe button. Together we can develop this channel. Thank you, guys, and bye for now.